cool.
Are you here with your parents or?
Yeah, with my mum.
Are you shy or something?
No.
It's kind of boring having a tea or coffee by yourself. You need somebody to talk to.
Why are you wearing a hat?
How much money do you have? Why is your hair white?
It's a bit like the trees in autumn. You can ask a tree, why are your leaves brown?
Do you mean in the bank or
Like your pocket money and stuff like that.
£560 a month pension?
Wow.
If you had that, what would you do?
I would get a dog and get a house and a swimming pool and go on X Factor. Do you have Netflix?
Nothing like that. I've just got a radio.
We normally play Bulldog.
People still play Bulldog. I remember playing that.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a... Where are your friends and where they are right now?
Some of my friends are abroad. I was born in Jamaica, so a lot of my friends are there,
I mean, I'm new in London.
Well, I've had hundreds and thousands of friends. At the moment, I've got a lot of Facebook friends.
Well, maybe I could sit with you and have some coffee. Yeah?
You like coffee?
Yeah.
Do you? What's your favourite?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Why can't everybody be friends?
That's a good question.
It's not as easy as that, really.
I couldn't walk up to somebody in here and say, would you like to play with me? That'd be a bit strange.
I think everyone should talk to everybody.
That's the nicest thing I've heard all day.
You've really made my day.
Making friends is easier than eating chocolate. I think everyone in the world should have one big party and become friends.